Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add payment method on Temu app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your Temu account. Once you're logged in, tap on the U tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, look at the top right corner and tap on the small gear icon to open the settings menu. Inside the Temu settings page, you'll see several options such as language, country, and account preferences. Here, tap on the option called Your Payment Methods. Here, you'll see the supported options. Temu accepts major credit and debit cards including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, as long as the card is active and online payments are enabled. Next, tap Add a credit or debit card. Then enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Once done, tap Add your card and your payment method will be saved. You can now start ordering on the Temu app. And that's it. So that is how you can add payment method on Temu app. So that's all for this video. Thanks.